Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to save files in Google Docs. Okay, so first let's start with the video. So here I am in my Gmail. So first, we are going to see Google Docs where you can find in Drive. If you go in Gmail and if you click on this dot and click on Google Drive will be open with the same email ID, and from here you can create Google Docs. You can create new Google Docs or you can create from template. If you go Google Docs directly from Google, so it will be open like Google Docs. And try this. Okay, go to Google Docs. So here also you can see this is email ID and you have open the Google Docs, and when you create new Google Docs from here, so it will be create, and you can rename from here. I just rename like save Google Docs. This is file name. And if I write something here, it is save automatically. Okay, it is saving automatically. You don't need to save, it will be saved automatically. Okay, so you can download it from here. And if you go to the file, in file option, you have to find download. You can download as a Word file, doc files, PDF file, text file, any files in your computer. But if you want to save it, it will be saved automatically. But where you can see it, you have to go in Drive with same email ID. So in my email ID you can see this is my same email ID. Just refresh, I just refresh it, and here you can see the save Google Docs new file has been created here in today. So I can open it, I can edit it, I can download it. So basically Google, when you open or create new Google Docs, it is saved automatically in your Google Drive with same email ID. Okay, you have to check the same email ID you have open. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me and hit the like button.